Live from your weather alert leader, you're watching KKTV 11 News.
Check off another box and add a day to the string of mild weather days we've had here in southern Colorado over the past week. A beautiful setup for your Saturday morning. Cheyenne Mountain camera does show about 48 degrees out there at this point with calm winds and mostly clear to clear skies. We are alerting you first to a few weather changes that are in the cards over the next few days and into next week. Luckily, though, we do start out with steadily mild, outdoor friendly weekend weather. And then as we head into your Monday, so Saturday is going to be mostly clear, very mild. Sunday will be pretty mild as well, but the cloud cover will start building, and then into Monday you'll add in some of that cloud cover to those gusty winds as well. And those gusty winds eventually bring in a system next week that will bring the chance for snow back to southern Colorado, and this time on a much more widespread and more impactful scale than we saw last week. Now, current temperatures across southern Colorado are in the mid to upper 30s. I have to say the mid to upper 30s because some areas like Pueblo are hanging in the 38, 39 degree range, but move a little further towards the north and you find areas like Colorado Springs at about 48. Now, regardless, if you think that's cool or cold or too cold to start the day, by the end of the day, you'll be pretty impressed with this weather and it'll be very comfortable in the mid to upper 50s, lower 60s as well for most of southern Colorado. Further south you go, you may even get into the upper 60s, possibly the 70s as well. That's your Doppler radar imagery. Does show we're clear here in southern Colorado. Here's what we're tracking over the next few days. Right now, we're very calm, but as we head into Sunday and get towards Monday, watch this big blob of color here. Not going to overcomplicate it because you need to know that that's cool air, and look at the shape of that. You can see it blowing down towards the south. That's why you see that almost a hole-like shape there. It means we're going to get cooler, and it means we're going to see the chance for snowfall return to the area. As I mentioned, those clouds do build Sunday. Fire danger increases significantly on Monday with those gusty winds and dry conditions and the low humidity as well. And then snow returns to the forecast on your Monday evening into Tuesday. Here's what we have an idea of what it'll look like into next week. As of now, still a little ways out, but this is what the models are picking up on. Like I mentioned, into Monday, the cloud cover builds, those winds are gusty, and then there it is. Lots of color on your screen there as we head into your Tuesday, and that sticks around into your Tuesday afternoon as well. 7-day forecast does show a few changes here in southern Colorado. The change is pretty simple to digest. Do drop a little bit in temperature into your Sunday, but stay mostly dry, mostly clear and mild into your Monday. Winds pick up. Tuesday, drop from about 61 all the way down to the 30s. Snow returns. Well, that's quite the forecast there, but luckily we have more news for you right after the break.